Hello friends, welcome to today's class, and today we are going to see the remaining part of temporal models that will come under fourth unit of artificial intelligence. In the last video we have seen the temporal models, that is the definition of temporal model and the time and uncertainty of temporal model. So under this time and uncertainty we have seen states and observations, and next one is stationary process and Markov assumptions. So all these things we have seen in the last video, and today we are going to see the inferences in temporal models. There are four types here. First one is filtering or monitoring. Second one is prediction. Third one is smoothing. Fourth one is most likely explanation. So these four are different types of inferences in the temporal model. The first one is filtering. So in the filtering, we need to maintain the current state estimate and update it. That is, the agent is working in uncertain environment. So time to time, the state will be changed. So it is important to maintain the current state, and we need to update the current state also. How we are going to update? So for updating the current state, we need to go back over the entire history of the percept. Based on that only, we need to update the current state. So in our umbrella example, we need to compute the probability of raining today. If yesterday is raining, then today is also possibility of raining. So for computing the probability of today raining, we need to observe the entire previous history of the states. So here, filtering F by evidence E of the time slice t plus 1. The probability of xt plus 1 based on E of 1 to t plus 1, that is, the unbounded variable xt plus 1 is computed based on the evidence values E1, E2, E3 that will go up to Et plus 1, which is equal to the filtering of Et plus 1, filtering of Et plus 1, comma, probability of xt based on E1 to Et, that is E1, E2, E3, etc. up to Et. So the current state will be computed based on the previous history of the values, based on the previous values, where xt, that is unbounded variable xt, is equal to rain of t, and Et, that is the value, evidence value is related to umbrella. Here filtering is a rational agent needs to do in order to keep track of the current state. We need to keep track of current state. Why we are keeping track of current state? For rational decisions we need to make. For taking the decisions we need to keep track of the current state in the which environment? Unbounded environment. The next one is prediction. What is meant by prediction? This is going to compute the future state based on the previous evidence. In our example, raining 3 days from now, that is past 3 days are raining, then what is the probability of raining today? How we are going to compute the probability of x t plus k? Probability of x t plus k. K means how many days from now, based on the evidence E1 to Et, that is E1, E2, etc. up to Et, for some k greater than 0. In our example, k is 3 days. So based on the 3 days evidence, we need to predict the today's probability of raining. So this is called as prediction of future state. The next is smoothing. It is a process of computing the distribution over past states given evidence up to the present state. So in our umbrella example, computing the probability that it rained last Wednesday. It rained last Wednesday. So given all the observation of the umbrella carrier made up to today. So last Wednesday was raining, Thursday raining, Friday raining, it was raining up to yesterday. Then what is the probability of rain today? That is called as smoothing. Here probability of xk given by evidence 1, evidence 2 up to xt for some k, such that k is greater than 0 and this is less than t. T is the current time slice. And the last one is most likely explanation, that is given a sequence of observations. To compute a state sequence, that is most likely given the evidence. So we need to observe the sequence of evidence. In our umbrella example, first 3 days it was raining. We have seen the umbrella for first 3 days and it is absent for fourth day. There is no umbrella in fourth day. Then the most likely explanation for this statement is that it rained for first 3 days and did not rain on the fourth day. Again we have seen the umbrella on fifth day, that is raining on the fifth day. Thus the absence of umbrella in fourth day means it was not raining or the director forgot to bring it. So we need to decide these two things. First 3 days are raining, fourth day we didn't see the umbrella, and fifth day again we are seeing the umbrella. So continuously 3 days raining and fifth day is also raining, hence the fourth day not raining is not acceptable. Hence the most likely explanation is the director forgot to bring the umbrella, which is the most likely explanation. Up to this we have seen the different inferences in temporal model. Now the question time. Students, please list the different inferences in temporal model. We are having 4 different types of inferences in this temporal model, isn't it? You please list out all the 4 types only. Name of those different inferences. Okay. You answer the question in the comment box. Thank you all of you.